back side we open it. This has the D size cell compartment that needs the bigger battery, so we are gonna put this instead of that because the voltage is the same. Okay, so now our job is to get this fitted into this. So first we are going to use a double-sided tape to stick this inside. Okay, so I added some double-sided tape over here on the back side of this battery compartment. I'm going to try and stick this over here.
Tomorrow also school already.
Till when is it?
May 1st or 2nd. 15 already.
In both the leads and also the surfaces where we are going to solder. So this surface probably over here and this one right there. And we'll solder to that. So later on, if you want to remove it, we can do that easily. So let's see. Yeah, I was having difficulty with this surface trying to solder it. Like, you know, it is just not sticking. So I just removed it out, and I'm going to try and solder it at the back over here where the existing wire is. It'll be much easier with both the cables. Okay, it's quite an ugly joint, but that's okay. This is the second joint. This is the second joint. It's okay, kind of. It's okay. And there you have it. We put like some shoddy job on the tape over here, but we have got good quality rechargeable batteries in there. Let's see if it is working. Hit the pipe and let's see if it is working. Put it in.
Let's switch it on.
Yeah. And it's a success. Is notoriously leaving a lot of particles outside, so later I'm going to fix that. I'm going to change this one, but in the meantime I'm going to wrap this in and I'm going to try and pack it inside over here. Okay, this wasn't fitting in properly, so I had to separate it from the tube and store it independently because the lid wasn't closing. Now, like as you can see, like, you know, the lid closes perfectly. So now it's just a matter of accommodating the tube. Okay, finally we have both the tube and the stone inside, and let's try and close this lid, and there you go, all self-contained and ready to deploy.